Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Commissions Inc. for investor revenue tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Commissions Inc., visit the official website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, locate the sign up option and create a new account. Fill in the required personal and business information accurately during the registration process. Once registered, return to the login page and enter your credentials. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for additional security. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for the option that mentions API access or integrations. Click on this option to generate an API key. Ensure you save the API key in a secure location. Next, open your investor revenue tracking software or application. Find the section for integrating with external services. Input the API key you just generated in the corresponding field. After entering the API key, click Save or Connect to establish the link. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the authentication process was successful. You may now start using Commissions Inc. for tracking your investor revenue. Explore the features available to manage and analyze your data efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.